Morning again, Dr. Dixon. I am so interested for you to get my message from Claudette in Jamaica, Ulster Spring, Trelawny Clinic in Ulster Spring. It's this time last year, you people and God saved my life, and I will never forget about you and your team, what worked so hard on me to be here today, sitting up in my room, going and coming now strong, and can testify every time I go to my church and go on the street and testify about you and your team. God bless you. God bless you, and God will forever keep in you and your team. There's a special blessing for you. I still have to visit my doctor in Montego Bay Canal Regional, but do the surgery to draw the water. I was talking to one of my friends, but come and visit me, look for me for the new year. I talk about you very, very, very much. It's you and God help me to be here today. I'm telling you, and my children, them are so proud because I am going strong. I don't feel a short of breath. I just feel every day. Yes, I'm getting old, so I might feel few little pain in my foot and all over the body because I am 60. I think it's 64, 66 may come in next year, and I don't remember the date in January this time, but I know it's sometime coming down in January, or it maybe the date slipped me, but God bless you, and God will forever keep you and your team to do the good work what you are doing. God bless you and your team, and keep it up. I'm sorry you and your team is not here to shake your hand and your team hand and big on up every time. It costs me a lot to visit down by Bay. I think is in February. I have a day in the first week of February. I had to go back to check if the water is gathering anywhere around and if everything is okay. But every time I go to the clinic, every 2 months I go to the clinic and they run the tests them on me. They say, Miss Wright, you are coming on good. You are doing good. You see, and Mr. Williams, I thank him very much because sometimes my children do not have the money to buy the medication because they are very expensive. So Mr. Williams will never leave me out neither. God bless him at the pharmacy. God bless him. And I am doing good. I am going on good. Everybody tell me, Claudette, you are doing so good and keep it up. A lady come at my house this morning and she was talking. She said her cousin died over the same water around her heart, and she was pregnant, and they only could tell her that she not to get pregnant because she have lots of water around her heart. But God have me here to tell the testimony about you and your team, and oh God, good to me. So I thank you. God keep you and your team to help. Send them to help the life of another one. God bless you, Dr. Dixon and your team. Please say hi to your team from Claudette in Jamaica. I thank you very much. You and God knows everything. God bless you and God keep you. And I think I will see you sometime and meet you sometime to share my testimony anywhere I go. Thanks. Thank you, Dr. Dixon, and your working team.
JAHJAH Foundation, Jamaicans abroad and friends of Jamaica, helping Jamaicans at home. One love.